Okay, here are two variables a and b. A is a signed integer and b is unsigned integer and initialized as -1 and 10 respectively. It is clear that -1 is less than 10, that is a less than or equals to b, and hence satisfies this relational expression a less than or equals to b. And we may think that anything inside this block will execute. But once test if it is executes or not. Type something in this block like okay executed or something like that. Okay executed. Okay executed. That means when when the block is executed, it prints okay executed on the command line, and if it is not executed, it should be printed on command line. Remember, if the block executes when then this expression returns true. If it returns false, the block will not execute and prints not executed on command line. Let us compile it now and run it. Compiled. Okay, there were no errors and warnings, and I am running the code. What was printed is not executed. Why it is printed? Why it is printed? Why it is not executed? Why it is not executed is the only answer is the a less than or equals to b. This expression returned false, and hence this block is executed. It is not executed, and this statement is executed. With this printf statement, that is second printf statement printed and not executed on the screen. Why? And another question is why it is returned false? Because logically saying int a is equals to -1 is not at all less than or equals to b is equals to 10, because while compiling the program, the compiler automatically converted an integer a to an unsigned integer b, because during compilation in conditional expressions an unmodified data type is converted into a modified data type if an unmodified and a modified data types are involved in this expression. Here a is an unmodified data type and b is a modified data type of modifier unsigned, and it is also clear that a is equals to -1. The -1 is represented in 2's complement format and stored in the memory in the 2's complement format. And while evaluating, the evaluation of the expression is done in an unsigned comparison, comparing the two unsigned numbers. It treated a as an unsigned number and b is also an unsigned number, and hence returned false, because logically saying -1 in 2's complement is equals to 0x ff 1 byte and 2 3 4. It is 4 byte value. Int in 32-bit system occupies 4 bytes. This 4 byte value, this is actually an hexadecimal representation of a binary number, and you may know that the 10 is represented is because it is a unsigned integer, and it can be represented as 1 byte, 2, 3, 4, and LSB is a. This is equivalent to 10 in binary format, that is a is equals to 10 in hexadecimal format. And in order to satisfy this condition, b must be equals to a, or a less than or equals to b. It is now clear that logically a is much greater than b. It is far greater than 10. This is very large value. This gives very large value. We must place that large value here, and hence this expression may satisfied. Let us place the value. Let us calculate what is the decimal equivalent of this number, that is 16 f's, that is 4 byte value, 1 2 3 4. This is 16 f's in hexadecimal format converted into decimal, and hence this is the number, and I am copying this number. Copy. Okay, paste. Now the block will execute. Once again, compile and execute. Yeah, okay, executed. Hence now the block is executed. You can fix this. Hence be careful and make sure when working with a conditional expression, working with program flow statements and loops, do while loops, for loops, or whatever, be careful. The conditional expression having the same data types and make sure both are ints or both are floats or both are doubles, whatever, both are unsigned or both are signed. But do not use one modified variable and another unmodified variable. Then the unmodified variable will be automatically converted into modified variable, and very serious errors take place. When you are working with a very huge project, it may take a very much time to find out the error and fix it. So be careful and avoid time wastage. If you have any comments or need more explanation, post on comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.